Welcome to Manchester English Academy, Bangladesh. In this video, we'll be practicing daily English conversations. Let's get started. Scene 1. Morning routine. Characters: John and Mary. Setting: at home, morning.
John, good morning, Mary. Did you sleep well?
Mary, morning, John. Yes, I did, but I could have used a few more minutes.
John, I know what you mean. I've made some coffee. Want a cup?
Mary, that sounds perfect. Thanks. What's on your agenda for today?
John, I've got a meeting at 10, and then I need to finish that report. What about you?
Mary, I'm heading to the grocery store, and later, I'm meeting Sarah for lunch.
John, sounds nice. Don't forget to grab some milk. We're almost out.
Mary, got it. Milk is on the list. Do you want anything special for dinner tonight?
John, how about spaghetti? It's been a while since we had that.
Mary, spaghetti it is. I'll pick up everything we need.
John, great. I'd better get ready. The day's already starting to fly by.
Mary, me too. Let's make it a good one.
Scene 2. At the office. Characters: John and Lisa. Setting: office, mid-morning.
Lisa, hey John, did you get a chance to review the client's feedback?
John, hi Lisa. Yes, I did. There are a few points we need to address before the meeting.
Lisa, absolutely. I noticed they were concerned about the timeline.
John, yeah, that's a big one. We'll need to adjust our schedule to meet their needs.
Lisa, I agree. Should we prepare a revised plan?
John, definitely. Let's aim to have it ready before lunch.
Lisa, sounds good. I'll start working on it right away.
John, perfect. I'll join you in a bit after I finish up here.
Lisa, great. See you in a few.
Scene 3. Lunch break. Characters: John and Peter. Setting: office cafeteria.
Peter, hey John, fancy seeing you here. How's your day going?
John, hey Peter, it's going well, just busy. How about you?
Peter, same here. It's been non-stop since the morning. What are you having for lunch?
John, just a sandwich today. What about you?
Peter, I brought some leftovers from last night lasagna.
John, that sounds good. I need to start bringing leftovers more often.
Peter, it definitely saves time and money, plus it's convenient.
John, true. I'm thinking about meal prepping on weekends to make it easier.
Peter, that's a smart idea. It's a bit of work up front, but worth it during the week.
John, absolutely. Anyway, what do you have planned for the afternoon?
Peter, more meetings, unfortunately, but I'm hoping to wrap up early today.
John, I hear you. Good luck with that.
Peter, thanks. Enjoy your sandwich.
Scene 4. Grocery shopping. Characters: Mary and store clerk. Setting: supermarket.
Mary, excuse me, can you tell me where I can find the pasta? Store clerk. Sure.
The pasta is in aisle 4, on the right side.
Mary. Thank you. And where's the dairy section?
Store clerk. It's right over there, next to the bakery.
Mary. Perfect. I need to pick up some milk and eggs as well.
Store clerk. We have a special on eggs today. Buy one, get one free.
Mary. That's great. I'll definitely take advantage of that.
Store clerk. Anything else I can help you with?
Mary. No, that's all for now. Thanks for your help.
Store clerk. You're welcome. Have a great day.
Mary. You too.
Scene 5 at the doctor's office. Characters, John and Doctor. Setting, doctor's office, afternoon.
Doctor, good afternoon. John, what brings you in today?
John, good afternoon, Doctor. I've been having a persistent headache for the past few days.
Doctor, I see. Have you been under a lot of stress lately?
John, yes. Work has been pretty hectic. Could that be the cause?
Doctor, it's possible. Stress can lead to tension headaches. Have you tried any remedies?
John, just over-the-counter painkillers, but they only help temporarily.
Doctor, I recommend trying to reduce your stress levels. Regular exercise and proper rest can help.
John, I'll try that. Should I be concerned about anything more serious?
Doctor, not at this point. But if the headaches continue, we might need to do some further tests.
John, understood. Thanks for the advice, Doctor.
Doctor, you're welcome. Take care. And don't hesitate to come back if the headaches persist.
John, will do. Thanks again.
Scene 6, evening at home. Characters, John and Mary. Setting, living room, evening.
Mary, hey, how was your day?
John, it was pretty busy, but I got a lot done. How about you?
Mary, it was good. I had a nice lunch with Sarah and got all the groceries.
John, that's great. Did you remember the milk?
Mary, of course. We're all set for dinner.
John, excellent. I'm looking forward to that spaghetti.
Mary, me too. Let's get cooking.
Scene 7, dinner time. Characters, John and Mary. Setting, dining room, evening.
John, this spaghetti is delicious. You did a great job. John, it's the perfect way to end the day. How about we watch a movie after dinner?
Mary, that sounds like a plan. I've been wanting to watch that new comedy.
John, let's do it. I'll get the popcorn ready.
Mary, and I'll set up the movie. It's going to be a relaxing evening.
John, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for watching. Practice these conversations daily. Stay tuned for more lessons from Manchester English Academy, Bangladesh. Like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.